Alright, hello everyone. The local tennis club phoned me up and said the mower seems to be broken. They said the engine runs okay, but it won't drive. So I said, would I have a look at it? So that the engine's definitely running. And that's turning the blade, but there's something not turning the wheels. I think it's something to do with that lever there. That doesn't seem to be engaging on that. No, there's a bolt down there that pulls a pin. Yeah, pulls a pin and pulls that clutch in there by the look of it. And something's not working properly there, so right, I'll just take that apart and we'll see what we can see. Right, I pulled her apart and basically that's just a clutch lever. Pulls the bolt goes through there. That's the clutch plate that sits on the inside, and what's supposed to happen is that when that bolt's pulled, which is coming through here, it's supposed to pull this plate onto there. And I think what's happened, that bushing in there is supposed to move. No, it can't do. How does that pull? Something's supposed to be in here to separate. I shall have to get the see if I can find a manual online and see what's. Is there a spring missing or something? Right, I'll have a look online and see what's missing, if anything. Well, that turned out to be an easy one. Basically, this clutch pull, which works off the arm, pulls that bolt, which pulls this into the clutch, and somebody tightened that bolt up too much and jammed it all up, so consequently it wasn't going, or it was going all the time, not sure which. So seems to be working alright now. Right, that one's for thingy. Perfect. Right, I'll change the oil, check the blades. Super duper. Cheers for now, see you later.